What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this Hard Trance Melody and Breakdown tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how I would create a hard trance style melody and break from the ground up. I'll be creating the melody, progressions, plucks and drums, as well as going over processing in depth such as the layering the leads, melody writing, sound design, sound selection, automation, transitions, layout, EQ and much more, but more importantly the reasons behind the processing and creative ideas so that you fully understand everything that I'm doing and why. So if you'd like to see how I would create a hard trance break or would like to check out the other hard trance tutorials that I have on the website, then be sure to head over to allanmorrowstudios.com.